In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Gmail to Pipedrive. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top right in your account and click on your profile icon. Then you want to go to Company Settings under Company Overview, and then here on the left, you want to click on Email Sync. Now here you can see you have Accounts, Smart BCC, and Email AI. So you want to go to Accounts, and then in here, the easiest way to do that is simply type in your email account, your Gmail account. For me, it's this one, and because I used Google, or of course my Gmail, to sign into Pipedrive, it's automatically recognized my email. So type it in here and click on Get Started. Then it's going to give you a pop-up telling you have to enable all permissions, so I'm just going to click on Next. And then when you do that, it's going to basically put you on the screen where you have to press Continue, and now you have to give it all the permissions. So click on Select All, make sure all of these check marks are enabled, and then click on Continue at the bottom right. After this, it's going to take you back to Pipedrive, and it's going to ask you what type of email that is. So I'm going to do Personal, and then Next, and then here you can connect your email account, so you can either make it shared or private, and then you can of course select your sync settings over here. You can sync all folders or just specific ones over here, and then click on Start Sync. So that's essentially all you have to do to connect Gmail to Pipedrive. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.